Wow! I can't believe you've done this.
Look what I have bought. Maxxfan. I haven't opened it yet. I thought I would make a video. I'm opening the Maxxfan box video. So that's what this is. On the box it says made in China. It's a Maxxfan Deluxe in white with remote control, and it's 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters. Instructions, hardware kit enclosed in this square tube. Like one remote control. That looks okay. It's a remote control. Instructions and some screws and bits and pieces. Okay, now for the fan. So that's the bit that goes inside the camper on the roof. So this is the fan. I've seen some videos already on YouTube about how these work, and as well as the remote control, it also has this knob here to manually open it from the inside, and also to operate the fan from these buttons down at the bottom here. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe, and when you have watched this video, don't forget to tune in the next few days, because I will be uploading how I installed it just here. So stay tuned and watch the next video after this one. So let's see if we can manually open it just now. Yeah. That's fully open. So when it's on the roof, it will look something like that. Let me just move back a bit. So that's what it looks like. So let's close it again to see what happens. So with this manual knob at the bottom here, maybe use that if the remote control batteries die. So it goes quite flat on the roof. So that's the Maxxfan. So what else does it do? Well, right on the top, this isn't a paid promotion by the way, I'm not being paid in any way by Maxxfan to promote their stuff. I will put a link below to the place I bought it, but that's up to you if you want to buy it from there or from somewhere else. On the front of it here, or should I say on the bottom of it, there is a wire fly net, so that's quite handy. And on the outside, the bit that goes outside the fan is like a metal grate, so nothing bigger can get into there, like bees or wasps or anything. Show you that here. So that's the bit that's on the outside and nothing can really get through there. And then there's a wire mesh where the fan is. So also on here, on these on this plate here, there's an open and a close, auto, in and out, so you can either vent the air out or have it coming in, and the on and off. But hopefully you won't need that because of the remote control. And on the remote control has basically the same things, temperature and speed. So, all looks quite good. Oh, and there's also a little holder, so you can screw this up somewhere in the van, put your remote control in. Look quite intelligent with those on, don't I? So, thought of everything. That's quite good. So today is the install day for this Maxxfan, and I've had a chance to have a look through it at home, so I thought I'd go into a little bit more detail as to what I have discovered. So if I take this off, take this back out the box. Okay, so we can take this bit off the top. This is the bit that goes on the outside and fits to the roof, so this bit here will be on the roof outside, down like that. And tucked away inside here is the cable. It has a black wire which says positive, which is very unusual, a black wire that says positive, and a white wire that says negative. The front of it also has this like wire fly mesh, which also, if you turn these small things here, these things, you can take this off to clean it. So that's quite handy, because you can imagine that's going to get quite a lot of dust on it. So to be able to take it off nice and easy, that's a bonus. Also, reading through the instructions and some details about it, these can operate from a 12 volt system, so we'll see how powerful that is operating from the 12 volts. Also in the box is some screws. They look like self-tappers to me. Box of self-tappers, presumably to screw this. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16 holes along here around it to screw it to the roof of the van. And there's also some electrical connectors. Some electrical connectors. I should imagine though that we can just wire up this black positive wire directly to the battery and maybe earth this wire directly to the van. I think that would work anyway, but we'll try that. The battery is included with the remote control. So, it looks quite good to me, but I will go into more detail about the remote control and some of these other controls that are on the side once I've installed it, which is the next job. So, stay tuned for that, because that will be the next video. To install it, I have looked at other YouTube videos and found that there was quite a lot of videos in America showing how to install roof lights and these ceiling fans, roof lights, and they were all using something called butyl tape. It took me quite a long time to try and find this butyl tape. I eventually found some on eBay. It's spelled B-U-T-Y-L. If you look for it, I'm sure you'll find it. Oh, hiya. Yeah, he forgot to mention how long it took him to actually find this butyl tape. He was looking through YouTube for days and days and days on these installs for this fan, and there was all these American videos of people saying they was using butyl tape, but he couldn't find it, and then he managed to find it on eBay. So anyway, he's forgot to mention it in the video this is making, well, the one he's videoing right now, but I just thought I would interrupt and tell you that if you click on the link below the video, there's actually a link to a eBay page where you can buy it from. Just thought I'd let you know. Now back to him. But that's what it looks like. It's just like a putty on a roll. So that's for sealing it. I've seen a lot of videos with people only using silicone, and then later on commenting in their own comment section that they have leaks. I'd just like to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. We have now 236 as from today, which is fantastic. 236 people have actually clicked on the subscribe button for me, which does a lot for self-confidence. So thank you very much to everybody for subscribing to our channel, and I will see you all very soon. Cheerio!